Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 101. What tense describes an action that started in the past and has continued without interruption until now? A. It snows all day. B. It has snowed all day. C. It has been snowing all day. D. It is snowing all day. Correct answer, it has been snowing all day. Present perfect continuous tense. Question number 102. What tense describes a prolonged action in the past that led to a past result? A. He was tired because he studied for hours. B. He was tired because he had been studying for hours. C. He is tired because he studies for hours. D. He will be tired because he will study for hours. Correct answer, he was tired because he had been studying for hours. Past perfect continuous tense. Question number 103. What tense describes an action that will have been in progress for a duration at a certain future point? A. On January 1st, I will teach for 10 years. B. On January 1st, I will have taught for 10 years. C. On January 1st, I will be teaching for 10 years. D. On January 1st, I will have been teaching for 10 years. Correct answer, on January 1st, I will have been teaching for 10 years. Future perfect continuous tense. Question number 104. Which tense expresses a regularly scheduled event in the future? A. The museum opens at 9 a.m. tomorrow. B. The museum is opening at 9 a.m. tomorrow. C. The museum will open at 9 a.m. tomorrow. D. The museum opened at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Correct answer, the museum opens at 9 a.m. tomorrow. Simple present tense. Question number 105. Which tense describes something that is currently developing or changing? A. The world gets warmer. B. The world is getting warmer. C. The world got warmer. D. The world will get warmer. Correct answer, the world is getting warmer. Present continuous tense. Question number 106. Which tense is used for a single past event, explicitly stating its time? A. We saw a great movie last night. B. We have seen a great movie. C. We are seeing a great movie. D. We see a great movie. Correct answer, we saw a great movie last night. Simple past tense. Question number 107. Which tense expresses a prediction about the future based on what you think or imagine? A. I think it will be sunny tomorrow. B. I think it is sunny tomorrow. C. I think it is going to be sunny tomorrow. D. I think it was sunny tomorrow. Correct answer, I think it will be sunny tomorrow. Simple future tense. Question number 108. Which tense is used when the exact time of a past action is unknown or unimportant? A. I lost my wallet yesterday. B. I have lost my wallet. C. I was losing my wallet. D. I lose my wallet. Correct answer, I have lost my wallet. Present perfect tense. Question number 110. Which tense describes a past action that was in progress when another event happened suddenly? A. While she read, he came in. B. While she was reading, he came in. C. While she has read, he came in. D. While she reads, he comes in. Correct answer, while she was reading, he came in. Past continuous tense. Like, comment, share and subscribe.